TS18563L. Again, it's just a little walkthrough. Stainless steel brake lines. I would never do that again. It was the world of me trying to get those to seal. I'm hearing that I think it's pronounced co-nickel brake lines. I think I'm going to do that on the 58. But the chrome air filters with the SUs, correct for the time period. Got the chrome dashpot covers. I rerouted my vacuum advance to the center of my intake port to get a better pulse. I was watching a very experienced MG guy talk about the number of pulses that you can get by centering that in the middle, and it actually does a lot good. I mean, the car runs so much better. You can actually notice the difference. I got the stainless gas lines all the way throughout. Chrome fittings on the end. Down there you'll see the chrome alternator, which is like a mini alternator. Yep, I'm running an alternator. Again, you can't see the fan, it's on the front side, but I do have the original fan as well. But I guess that's the car in a nutshell. Just giving you a nice walk around. Custom red wires to match the interior. Again, stainless lines coming from the vacuum advance. Thanks for watching. TR Rehab.